SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to create an iCloud backup on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your iPhone has an option where it can automatically back itself up to your iCloud account. You can enable this option by opening the Settings app. You can then select your Apple ID card at the top of the screen, and then you can choose iCloud from this menu. Now you just need to scroll down and find the iCloud backup option under Device Backups, and that's going to bring you to this screen. Now to enable the automatic backups to iCloud, you can tap the button to the right of Backup This iPhone, and that's going to activate that setting. And you can choose whether or not you would like these backups to occur over cellular, and if you would like that to happen, then you can tap that button. Or if you would like to only back up over Wi-Fi, then you can turn this option off. Now you can wait until your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and charged and charging, but if you would like that backup to occur automatically, or if you would like to manually start the backup, then you can tap the Backup Now button, and that's going to automatically start creating the backup and save it to your iCloud account.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.